If you would rather your users view their submission data right on the thank you page and not have to send that confirmation email, let me show you how to do that. Hey everyone, welcome to Jotform. I'm Kimberly, and sometimes we would prefer to not send our users an email or connecting to a third-party tool. Let me show you how to do it right on the thank you page. So I'm going to choose my form. I'm going to click Edit Form. Then from here, I'm going to go up to the top middle, the Settings button. Then over on the far left, we are going to edit the thank you page. Now you can see it's already on show a thank you page after submission. So from here, we're just going to add a little bit more verbiage. I already have it typed and copied, so I'm going to go ahead and paste it in here. So to view your submission, and then we have the link that they're going to go to. So it's https://www.jotform.com/submission/open curly bracket ID, then closed curly bracket. So this submission ID right here, it is being pulled from, if you do the plus add field right here, the submission ID, you can see it's the curly brackets and then the ID. So let's go ahead and publish. Let's grab that link, let's fill it out, and let's give it a test. All right, so we have our thank you page, and you can see my submission ID is right here. I'm going to go ahead and copy this link, open a new page, paste it in, and there is my submission information. So this is an easy way for people to see their submission data without receiving an email. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please let us know, and I'll see you next time.